To help keep your hands on the wheel, Yubo eServices features convenient steering wheel controls that operate most common features. Let's check them out. Pressing the mode key on the steering wheel lets you shuffle through different types of audio modes. And if you're listening to an FM or AM radio station, pressing the arrow up-down button will tune in the previous or next preset. You can also use this button to select songs on an audio device or hold it down to fast-forward or rewind through a track. The volume button, pretty much what you'd expect. Toggle it up or down to adjust the volume as desired. And press the button to mute all audio. To use your system's voice commands, press the talk button here. Remember, this is just a short preview. We'll cover all of these audio features as we go through the rest of our topics. For more information, check your car multimedia system user's manual or the quick start guide hang tag that came with your new Kia. Thanks for watching.